Here's a Hampton Bay Havana ceiling fan in white. AC's blowing on here. It's white. It has a Hampton Bay tag. It's an outdoor fan. It has very wide palm leaf lights, like a Fanimation Islander. So yeah. Here is the one. Here is the light. And here has 3 bulbs in it. Here's low. Well, I can't put the camera down because my father's sleeping right now. So I'm just have to be careful to hold it. Because I like making videos with my camera put on the stand. This sort of kind of looks like a Harbor Breeze Baja. But the Baja's a terrible fan. It doesn't move that much. The Baja doesn't move that much air. But still kind of reminds you of a Fanimation Islander. Or a wind point. With these wide blades. So here's the light. And here is medium. Doesn't go pretty fast on medium. That's because of very wide blades. It's more meant for design, not for like practical air movement. There's light. Yeah. Here is high. High doesn't go pretty fast. That's because of the steeply pitched blades and very wide blades. They are palm leaf blades. At least I'm thinking they're palm leaf. But they're wide blades. Here's the light. Then spin down. For some reason it's slanted. I can't fix it. I've actually looked at Home Depot. Is there an image of this fan, Hampton Bay Havana, with shallower blade pitch, or does it just only come in steep blade pitch? Sorry, I can't talk right now. Sorry, I gotta fix this. Steeply pitched blades. I mean, the AC's moving along after there. Just to convince you it's not out there. centrifugal condenser unit in the bathroom. Yep, I can see the condenser unit. There's a little bit in the bathroom. There's the exhaust fan. It's just a basic one. It's not the big blower one. Going spin down with these steeply wedged blades. How is these blades so heavy? And that's it for forward. Now, let's do it in reverse. It's kind of hard to reverse it. Here is low reverse. I'm not going to do spin down reverse, because since I'm holding the phone with my hand. Here is medium. Here is medium reverse. Here is high reverse. For some reason it's not spinning. Oh. I thought for sure it was not spinning fast in reverse, but it is. Spinning the same speed in reverse. Here it is. Stop my hand. I can see if I can stop these big wide palm blades. So hard to reverse. I'm just gonna leave it on low for now. That is it. That is the Hampton Bay Havana ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.